Good morning everyone. So today our topic is linked list. So let me tell you what is linked list. Linked list is also a data structure. But the benefit is there. The additions and deletion of node is quite easy. Okay, because every node has two parts. You can see here, this is a node. Node has a two part, that is data and link. Data means the element. It may be number, character, string, whatever we have. A link is a pointer which points to another node, say this node. So again that will point to another node, and this will continue till the link part will be null. So once the link is null, then the pointing part, the creation of the new node will stop. Okay, so this is linked list. It is a linear data structures where addition and deletion of nodes are quite easy comparison to other like stack, queue or array. Okay, so linked list also is very important for ISC computer science because you get 2 marks question. Section C, the last questions which carry 3 questions, each question will carry 5 marks, and the option is that we have to do any 2. That means 15 marks is there, you have to do any 2, 10 marks. So now the last question carry 5 marks where the question is divided in 2 parts. 3 marks will be binary search tree and 2 marks will be linked list. If you want to do binary search tree, you have to do linked list, no options. Okay, so linked list is very easy and very simple. You get a piece of code and the question will be mentioned whether you need to write algorithm or the method definitions, only that much. So method definition is very easy because if you want to point this data or if you want to point this link, there is a simple technique. You have to always use this ptr dot data, ptr dot link to move to the next node, and this will continue until unless the link is not equal to null. So once the link is equal to null, the execution part, maybe you are counting, maybe you are searching, maybe adding, whatever execution you are doing, that will get stops once link will turn to null. So these are some logics. We can say all the executions are done by the basis of objects. So linked list is the object of node. Node is the name of class, you can say, and ptr is the object. With object you are pointing to the data, you are pointing to the link. So that is the logic. Now let us see what kind of question comes in examinations. So see here what kind of question comes. You can see, children, the question I have written, a linked list is formed from object of the class. Then class nodes is given in num, that is number, and datas. Nodes next is link. Okay, num is data, next is link. Write an algorithm. Either you can write algorithm or you can write a method. So write an algorithm or method to print. What we have to do is to print sum of nodes that contains only odd integers. So whatever odd integers, odd numbers are there in that nodes, that all you have to sum up and you have to display. And for that you got a method declaration that will be given in the questions. Every question method declaration will be given. So children, always we have to begin from method declarations. Okay, so see here. We'll write first void nodes count nodes star ptr, then the curly bracket. So this is, you can say, almost a compulsory part which we need to give, because any questions you get a method declaration that will be given in the questions. So you can see the question once again. You will find the class nodes is given, then num nodes next. So everything is given, children. So now the next part is we need to create the object. If you see this one, this is our nodes part is given, okay, and method declaration is also given. So create the object. So class name is what? Nodes. So object we can take again ptr. is equal to new nodes. So we have created the objects PTR. Now this object is going to point the numbers at the next. So we write a loop while in while up to how much it will go till the link is not equal to null. That means PTR dot next is not equal to null. So this is a fixed loop. Always we have to give this loop. Okay, PTR dot next is not equal to null. Now what we are going to do is we are going to check this number whether this number is odd or not. So for that, if again PTR dot num for odd is what modulus 2 not equal to 0. Then what we are going to do is we are going to sum up. So we will take one variable int sum is equal to 0. So sum is equal to sum plus what we are going to add? We are going to add the numbers. So number is what? PTR dot num. So we have added this one. Okay, so the addition is very simple. The calculations part, you can see you get different type of questions. Okay, very simple logic will be there. Whatever the number part, you have to use PTR, that means the pointer dot next, pointer dot number, like that. Okay, so we have added, we have sum of all the odd integers in the variable known as sum. So now we move to the next node. Okay, so next node, how we'll move? So PTR is equal to PTR dot next. We have a next part, so we'll move to the next node. We'll close the while loop and ultimately we'll display. We'll display the sum and we'll close the functions. So this is the logic, children. So one more thing, children, you can do is you can write here star PTR, which is given because it is a parameterized constructor. There is a parameter, so we can use this part for doing. Okay, children.